Yeah.
Oh shit, man, who that is?
Shout out Migo, shout out Zaytoven one time.
Drake at the Versace store.
Yeah. Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. This is a gated community, please get the fuck up the property. Rap must be changing cause I'm at the top and there's no one on top of me. Niggas be wanting a verse for a verse, but man, that's not a swap to me. Grinding in compliments, pool in the backyard that look like Metropolis. I think I'm selling $1 million for sweet, man, I guess I'm an optimist. Born in Toronto, but sometimes I feel like Atlanta adopted us. What the fuck is you talking about? Saw this shit coming like I had binoculars, boy. Versace, we stay at the mansion when we in Miami. The pillows, Versace, the sheets of Versace, I just want a Grammy. I've been so quiet, I got the world like, what the fuck is he planning? Just make sure that you got a backup plan, cause that shit might come in handy. Started a label, the album is coming September, just wait on it. This year I'm eating your food and my table got so many plates on it. 100 inch TV at my house, I sit back like damn, I look great on it. I do not fuck with your new shit, my nigga, don't ask for my take on it. Speaking of lingo, man, this for my nigga that trap out the bendo. This for my niggas that call up Fernando to move a piano. Fuck all your feeling, cause business is strictly financial. I'm always the first one to get it, man, that's how you lead by example. Versace. Word in New York is the dyke, man, and high schools are calling me Poppy. I'm all on the low, take a famous girl out with it, no paparazzi. I'm trying to give Halle Berry a baby and no one can stop me.
Versace, 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 whoa, Versace, 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 Versace.
She's not hood. This is not real. This is not. It can't be real.
It is. Nigga, always.
Yeah, my it's shampoo. We real never be folk. These folk ain't real. We really did this shit.
No.
Just shut that bitch down. Level to this shit. I don't know why it's like you do. The level to this shit. Everything, but next year gonna be crazy. That nigga Tony B, man.
Hey, this my You like see right? Hey, check this out. This police RP in the grave straight up. But this nigga right here, say about the nigga. Y'all niggas about Tony B Street. Nigga, we don't rob. We done stole rims, we done did every motherfucking thing. And y'all rap niggas think this shit be really sweet, man. I don't funny shit. I do shit, but I ain't gotta grow up by that street shit. We did 18 by 9, 24. Bro, we really did this motherfucking shit.
Yeah, nigga.
Here, right. Don't let them know. Let them know. If you got money in your pocket, I pickpocket.
But we ain't pocket watching.
Hell no, nigga.